Well, it is definitely shaping up to be a beautiful sunny day in the RGV, but we can't forget about the breezy conditions that are out there. Right now we have winds out of the south-southeast between about 9 and 20 miles per hour. The strongest wind speeds are in Brownsville and Port Isabel, 18 and 20 miles per hour, with gusts a bit higher than that from time to time. Now, as the day goes on, we will continue to see those breezy conditions. You see that the graph over the next 7 hours will keep it anywhere between 10 and 20 miles per hour, mainly out of the south-southeast. It's not until later on tonight that those winds eventually will slow down. Here's a live look outside in Weslaco this afternoon from our Sky 5 camera, and you can see plenty of sunshine out there. And there's also some pretty blue skies and those gusty winds, but it does feel quite muggy and we're warming up. It's at 86 degrees right now, and with that southerly wind flow pumping in all the moisture, of course it's going to continue to feel muggy. Check out your dew point value. It's right around 69, so that's borderline very humid, and you'll feel it especially as it gets hotter throughout the afternoon. 82 right now in Brownsville, to 86 in McAllen and here in Weslaco, and 84 in Harlingen. Your hour-by-hour forecast keeps the forecast with plenty of sunshine and temperatures rising to the lower 90s today. So yes, it will continue to feel really sticky out there as the heat settles in over the next few hours. Set up across Texas shows the cold front draped all the way from the northeastern portion of Texas and even part of Oklahoma all the way down to the Big Bend and back toward El Paso. Behind this front, you can definitely feel the change with temperatures in the 50s and 60s. Ahead of this front, we continue to warm up with that southerly wind flow pumping in all of that warm, moist air from the south. Zooming out and kind of taking a look at what's happening over Tennessee and Kentucky, as well as portions of northern Mississippi and even parts of Alabama this afternoon. They continue to get some rain, and if you see some of that yellow and even orange shows that there could be some heavy showers and thunderstorms and possibly even some severe thunderstorms with this front or ahead of it. And also going up into the north and east, a lot of rain and snow headed their way. But look at the temperatures right now. They're mainly in the 80s across the deep south all along the Gulf Coast states. Now look behind that front and you see that cooler air mass. When those two combine like that, that's where you get that potential for that severe weather. It's that drastic change, and you really need it to heat up and have a lot of rockiness in the air or instability to get those thunderstorms going. Now, back at home, we're not going to see a lot of that heavy thunderstorm activity. We will have a cold front, and it'll arrive Wednesday night going into early Thursday. It could bring us a little bit of rain, but right now your rain chances are around 10%, and it looks like we're not even going to see a major cool down with the heat continuing to linger in the 90s. Even this weekend, 95 degrees is how we'll start it. 91 is how we'll end the weekend. There will be a cold front moving through Sunday night going into early Monday morning, but notice that ahead of this, we're definitely warming up, and there is a small chance for rain over the weekend, but it's pretty low, near 10 or 20%. High temperatures today, 90 degrees, still very warm overnight. Partly cloudy with low temperatures near 70. The winds will die down a little bit more as the night goes on. We're back to 92 tomorrow, 95 by Wednesday. And as we roll into the weekend, I do believe Saturday could even get up to 97. I'm thinking about changing that number there, but Thursday and Friday will definitely end on a warm and breezy note. We'll still be rather breezy this weekend, again with a small chance for rain, 95 to 91. I think the times that you'll notice the temperature change will be overnight Wednesday and Thursday night. Look at that. We dip down to the upper 60s and even the mid 60s Thursday night. So going into Friday morning, it may be cool enough to warrant a jacket at the bus stop. That's a look at your first 1-5 forecast. Stay with us. Channel 5 News at noon. We'll be right back.